Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some Takis smoked burgers. Oh hell yeah, and we're doing it two ways, the blue and the red. Check this out. Smoked Takis burgers. Oh hell yeah. So we're using two different kettle grills in this. We're using the classic Weber kettle and we're using a slow and sear kettle. Now I set it up almost the same. So you want to get about a 1/3 pound patties, crush up your Takis, roll it around in there, crust it up nice, and you're going to be cooking indirect at about 275. We're using hickory for the smoke. Let's take a peek of these smoked Takis burgers and get a temp. Oh yeah. We gotta get some cheese on that one. It's time to cheese. And then at the end, when you hit about 130, 135 degrees, slap some cheese on top, close down the grill, let it do its thing, put your buns in there as well so they warm, pull it, cut into it, enjoy this bad boy. It is time to pull these Takis smoked burgers. Oh hell yeah. It's time. Look at that, the blue Takis smoked burger. Oh hell yeah.
Give me a hell yeah.
Wow. Not nearly as much heat as eating Takis plain. Now, the original.
I said, give me a hell yeah.
Oh yeah. Damn good burger. Plain, simple, nothing else. I would like to add jalapeno slices to this. Oh hell yeah. Maybe a little hot sauce as well. Another thing I'm thinking about doing with Takis is laying them down and smashing 2 patties together inside. Oh hell yeah. Go make some Takis burgers. Oh hell yeah.
I said, give me a hell yeah.
It is time to pull these Takis smoked burgers. Oh hell yeah. In 2 minutes.